Welcome back to YouTube. Uh, the videos are going pretty good. The amount of views we're getting, the subscribers we're getting is pretty awesome. Pretty dang awesome, actually. We need to keep that up. I appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below on things that you see that I'm screwing up or I'm doing a good job, or you want to ask questions about what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. But what we're going to do today is, let me pick up here and show you. And if you're following us on Instagram, which I have not plugged Instagram probably since I started, is carpet. We got one of the rod locker doors done. It's the first time I ever carpeted anything, so I've done one off camera. And most of this will be done on time lapse because, I don't know, you can YouTube millions of people that've done carpet. It's just part of the build. I'm going to document it. You know, that's not as boring as watching me paint and watching the paint dry. I have an electric staple. Thing's pretty nice. It's a cheap one from Harbor Freight, but it'll shoot some staples, that's for sure. And I've got a bunch piled up over there, and I got the other rod locker door in the living room. I had to cut the carpet in the living room because it started raining, so it forced us inside, and we had to close the garage door. So me and the wife ended up cutting all the pieces to shape while it was raining, and I had to wait for the camera to charge up to come out here in the garage and do it. So that's it. I'm gonna make a mess. Now when I did this, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I do a little square, or not squares, but the corners on my carpet when I cut it out earlier. And I tried to keep the glue thin because this carpet ain't got the rubber backing on it, so I don't want it to soak through. I don't want the glue to soak through, if it actually will soak through. As I flip it over. Gotta go get the scissors. Reload. There you go. That's actually door number 2. Gotta cut the circle in it and tuck in the handle to help hold the carpet in while the carpet glues into the hole. I'm making a video to show you guys. I know some of you guys have bought these and you see that this is real thick. I'm making a video to show you guys how to trim these down with just like a portable bandsaw. I'll show you how to make a jig and everything so you can trim these down to where they fit flush with the actual bracket, to where you can actually use the screws that come with it. These are just wood screws just to hold the pressure in there until I get them all trimmed down. There's door number 2. Oh. Don't forget my little rub down. So that's, like I said, putting on carpet. The gun, the Bauer gun, is pretty badass. Like I said, it's a 4-volt, I think that's what was on the box. On off. Yeah, 4-volt cordless stapler. Like I said, you can actually use your cell phone charger to charge it if you lose the wall plug. And but you put it on, it'll arm, and then you pull the trigger. But it's a powerhouse. It's shooting these 1/4-inch staples in that wood with no problem. I'm sure if it was a 1/2-inch staple, it would hammer that thing on too. So I'm not going to sit here and just keep making time-lapse videos of me putting the carpet on. I'm going to finish out the carpet, and then I'll come back and I'll show you with it all laying in. There's one piece I can't carpet because I got to cut the hole for the foot pan. And it's nighttime and I don't want to wake up the wife or the neighborhood. So we'll end up doing that tomorrow. But I'll have everything on this side carpet except for one board. But I'll be able to lay it all in there and show you what it looks like. Wait for that at the end.